what I'm going to talk about at Cypher 2019 is, do we have room for experimentation? In these 3 days, we are seeing a lot of great speakers talking about AI, machine learning. What I'm going to talk about is what is fundamental to AI and machine learning, which is experimentation. And please come to my talk on third day. The key takeaway from my talks is, you see, we do a lot of practitioner work, we do a lot of repetitive work, we run with what is working. But at the same time, what we should not forget is that we should experiment with newer ideas, newer test cases, because newer ideas and newer test cases are like sounding board. So if you are not able to do that, if you are not able to go that path, you will not know what are the new ways of doing things, what is an innovative way of looking at the same thing in a different way. Obviously, I mean, this has come a long way in last decade, at least in India, and there's a host of opportunities available for in the space of AI and machine learning. Especially now, what I'm seeing is the traditional industries that analytics has been typically used, which is banking, even now telecom, and insurance. What I'm also seeing is there is a lot of opportunities available with government. For example, not many people know government is going very big in last 5 years and how they are using analytics. So you take CBDT, which is our income tax. They use analytics in a big way to figure out who is committing fraud while they're filing their returns. Even with their GST returns, they are doing a lot of great work. So just the opportunity is expanding, not only in the traditional space, but also in the space you may not think it will be used. This is a very good question, and thanks you have asked me that question. I have been with industry for 22 years, and for last 1 year, I am with SVK and NMIMS. Now, when I was part of the industry, I always look forward to looking at fresh talent, looking at people with young minds, because they come up with very innovative work. And the way the world is changing, we should be embracing how millennials think, how they want to get engaged with others. So what is more important from a learning standpoint is we have to have a very good immersion between industry and academia, because these are the people who are going to drive change in the future. So what I'm looking forward here as well is to impress upon industry to come forward and tie up with learning environments with either universities or online or anywhere, so that they also learn. The students, they learn from them, and when they come out, they are more prepared in that sense. Also from education standpoint, I think they also need to change, and we are changing in terms of we are not only just doing classroom trainings, we are trying to move out. For example, NMIMS here at Cypher with a lot of students here who are going to see firsthand and meet firsthand a lot of good speakers and industry leaders at this event. So education is also changing in the way they are looking at imparting this training, and this is a good event to be for both industry and academia to come together and work together. So when I started my career maybe 23, 24 years ago, there was nothing like this, right? Not many people even knew anything about analytics or AI or machine learning. And it was a hard time just to meet people, talk about this subject. But now what Cypher has really done over the last 3-4 years, I believe, is that bring all these people together on the same platform, and which essentially means that within this span of 3-4 days, we can meet good people, industry leaders, young minds who can come together, discuss, and figure out where this whole thing is going. And sharing and learning is a big part of this, and I think Cypher is doing a great work in bringing all of them together on the same platform.